Welcome back, guys. I'm the Vegan Kitty and welcome to the Vegan Kitty's Kitchen. On the menu today, I will be making Chinese pepper steak. And of course, with Chinese pepper steak, we have to move some ingredients around, right, to veganize them. So let's go over the ingredients. So for the meat, I will be using Beyond Steak plant-based meat. I'm going to use 2 packs of that. I'm going to be using vegan honey. Yes, we have a honey. I'm going to need some peanut oil, some minced garlic, some minced ginger. You're going to need some plant-based vegan broth, or, well, I'm going to show you what I'm using here. We're going to use beef broth. I'm using black and white peppercorn for pepper. You're going to need some Mirin. And I think I did say honey. Need some soy sauce, some cornstarch, some salt. You're going to need bell pepper and oyster sauce. This oyster sauce, it has Chinese characters, so I can't tell you who it's by, but there's a picture of a mushroom on it. And it is vegan friendly because all the ingredients are on the back of it, okay? So this is our version of a oyster sauce. And you're gonna need some scallions to garnish, along with sesame seeds. And instead of rice, I'll be using sopa noodles. These are made of buckwheat, so I'm going to use noodles with mine. You can use rice or whatever it is you want to use with it, okay? And I hope that's it. Oh, and then of course you're going to use an onion. You use a white onion. I'm using a yellow onion. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I went over all ingredients. Okay, so bear with me. I think I told you guys everything. Yeah, and I did say peanut oil. I think I did. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's cook. Okay, I forgot to add a little bit of peanut butter. I want to add to it. I'll add a tablespoon of peanut butter.